With folks working from home and getting deliveries more than ever, it seems like everyone's got a video doorbell camera. In 2020, Ring alone sold over 1.4 million video doorbells in the US. If you're considering hopping on the bandwagon, we're going over our top 3 battery-powered picks: the Eufy Dual Cam doorbell, the Google Nest doorbell, and the Ring doorbell. For more options, check out the description to find a link to our full lineup of our favorite video doorbell cameras. First up is the Eufy Dual Cam doorbell. It's got 2 onboard cameras in one 6-inch device. The top camera streams in 2K while the bottom streams in 1080p. Both give you a more comprehensive view of your front porch. It also comes with brand new AI package detection software geared towards guarding your precious deliveries. Next is Google Nest's new video doorbell. It's sleek, slim, and smart. With battery life that lasts for months, smart detection, and 3 hours of cloud storage built in, it's backed by all the power of Google to guard your front step. And finally, the Ring doorbell, the original video doorbell that is probably the most recognizable name in the whole doorbell camera game. Since Amazon acquired Ring in 2018, it's come out with 7 different versions of the Ring doorbell camera. Today, we'll be focusing on the Ring Doorbell Gen 2, the most affordable of the Ring doorbell camera family. One of the biggest advantages to battery-powered doorbells is the installation. With the battery built into your camera, you can put it pretty much anywhere. And from the doorbells I've tested, that setup and installation process is pretty much the same across the board. Check out our full video on installing the Eufy Dual Cam to get the full story, but here is the high-level overview. As always, it starts with an app. Whatever doorbell you're setting up, you'll want to start with the digital side of things before picking up any power tools. In the app, whether it's Eufy's, Ring's, or Google Home's, you'll add your device and pair the camera to your account through the app. From here, steps might vary slightly, but there's usually a QR code to scan in the app and on the camera. Then you'll connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi. You'll know the camera's up and running once you get a live feed on the app. Then, charge the battery if needed. Many doorbell cameras come with different back plates to help you get a better angle of your front porch. We recommend starting with at least 4 feet above ground. Once you've chosen a spot, mark it with a marker and drill holes using the back plate as a template. Then secure the back plate with the screws included in the kit. And finally, snap the camera onto its back plate and you're done. Now the only maintenance you'll have to do is charging the battery. Like any security camera, it's essential to have clear, reliable video streams. Eufy, Google Nest, and Ring all let you drop into live view and record at any time. They also have settings that automatically record clips when the camera detects motion and humans. Of the 3 doorbell cameras, the Eufy Dual Cam has the highest video resolution and covers the most area with its wide field of view. With 2 cameras on board one device, you can expect 2K streaming from the front camera and 1080p from its lower package camera. As for audio, the Eufy speaker is a little weak, but we were able to hear people on the other side pretty clearly. Here's what the two-way audio sounds like.
Hey, this is audio from the Eufy Dual Cam doorbell. This is what the Eufy Dual Cam audio sounds like.
Ring is next in line for video quality. It streams in 1080p and has a 155-degree field of view. The area where we installed our Ring doorbell had a bit of an overhang, and that kind of darkened the picture. So faces were a little harder to see, but the area beyond it shows up clearly enough to spot vehicles or anyone walking by. The Ring speaker was loud and clear in our tests, and we were able to understand anyone on the other side pretty clearly. I have to say, the Ring's audio was the most consistent of the bunch.
Hi, it's Katie from Seawise. This is what the two-way audio from the Ring doorbell camera sounds like.
And finally, the sleek Google Nest streams in only 960p and has the narrowest field of vision. But with a strong internet connection like the one we used in our test, you'll be able to see bright colors, smooth motion tracking, and a clear picture. You can zoom in and out of the picture to get a better view of what's around you within the Google Home app too. As for the audio, the microphone picked up my voice pretty quickly. We tested the audio on a phone and on the Google Nest Hub to see how it worked, and we were able to hear everything crystal clear.
Hey, it's Katie from Safewise. This is recording live from the Google Nest doorbell.
But my experience with the mic took some time. Just after speaking, your visitors might hear a lag or a glitch on the other side, but be patient and everything will come out clearly.
This is what the two-way audio from the Google Nest doorbell sounds like.
So what do you do with all the clips of package drop-offs and visitors on your doorbell camera? That's where local and cloud storage comes in. Different brands have a different approach to this question too. Eufy, for example, offers local and cloud storage options, while Google Nest and Ring are strictly cloud-based. But with those cloud subscriptions, they throw in bonus features like intelligent alerts or professional monitoring. Here's a breakdown of what you get from all three. The Eufy Dual Cam doorbell comes with a Home Base 2, the brand's local storage unit. This milk carton-sized device can store up to 16 gigs of footage without you needing to pay any monthly fees. But if you prefer to go the cloud route, Eufy can do 30 days of storage on one device for $3 a month, or 30 days of storage for up to 10 devices for $10 a month. Next up is Ring Protect, the brand's cloud storage and subscription service. Ring Protect comes in 3 flavors: Basic, Plus, and Pro. We could do a whole separate video on Ring Protect and everything that comes with it, but here's the need to know. Each of these cloud storage plans offer up to 60 days of video storage, along with saving, sharing, snapshot captures, and rich notifications. At the top tier, Ring adds professional monitoring, digital security, and internet backup, but more on that in another video. Finally, there's the Google Nest doorbell. Like Ring, Google is a strictly cloud storage team, but you get up to 3 hours of cloud storage for completely free, so you can see all your packages dropped off, pets hanging out, or any visitors who come by within that time frame, without paying for a Nest Aware subscription. Google Nest Cloud subscription starts at $6 a month for 30 days of cloud storage, but it also comes with intelligent alerts for familiar faces, alarms, and glass breaking. You also get E911, which is kind of like call forwarding for emergencies from your Google Home app. If you want more recorded history, Nest Aware Plus goes up to 60 days for $12 a month. We recommend this option for homes with multiple Nest cams. But unfortunately, you can only get 24/7 recording if your Google Nest doorbell is hardwired. All 3 of these cameras do pretty much the same thing. They watch your porch and run on batteries. Pretty simple. The big difference between Eufy, Google Nest, and Ring really lies within their respective apps. They all come with greatest hits for doorbell cameras like package and human detection, motion and privacy zones. But those extra brand-specific AI features are really what set them apart. Eufy's newest AI project, Delivery Guard, comes with built-in features to tell you how long a package has been there, remind you to pick it up regularly, and blast auto-recorded messages to tell porch pirates to buzz off. You can see our full review on the Eufy doorbell cam for more of those features. But they're still in beta, so we wouldn't give Delivery Guard a perfect score just yet. But as it's used more, the AI is sure to improve. The Eufy app also has built-in security modes to turn your camera into a makeshift security system. You can set your doorbell to armed, away, or home, just like a normal system. Next up is Ring. There's a ton to explore within the Ring app and its companion app, Neighbors. Being an Amazon company, Ring obviously works with your Amazon Echo, but it also plays really well with Google Home and third-party products like smart locks. The Ring Pro 2 that we installed has a 3D imaging feature that you can see here. The only problem here is that the Ring Pro 2 is a hardwired only doorbell camera. But if you opt into a Ring Protect Pro subscription, you can have a doorbell camera set up like a security system with 24/7 professional monitoring, hardwired or not. But when it comes to smart features, Google Nest comes out on top. Its advanced AI is able to accurately differentiate people, packages, pets, and vehicles. So if you live on a busy street, you can wave goodbye to those false alarms confusing Hondas for humans. And if you have a Google Home or Amazon Alexa speaker with a screen, the Nest Doorbell can stream footage right to your speaker where you can talk to anyone on the other side. The Google Nest Doorbell works through the Google Home app, so it's best paired with other smart stuff like lights, thermostats, and other Google-friendly gear. When it comes to battery-powered doorbell cameras, this is a close race. The Eufy Dual Cam Doorbell, the Google Nest Doorbell, and the Ring Doorbell all have their share of strengths and weaknesses. They all have comparable battery life, video storage, and smart features, and despite the differences in video resolution, we saw clear streaming and two-way audio from all three. If you're looking to thwart package thieves, the Eufy Dual Camera has the right idea. Its crystal clear 2K video streaming and included local storage make it worth the price. But its execution and brand new AI might not be enough just yet. So it's not quite our top recommendation. Next is Ring, the doorbell camera brand everyone knows, but maybe it's not universally loved. Its extras like the Neighbors app network feels like a good idea, but has come under fire for its cooperation with local police departments. Ring has a ton of doorbell cameras to choose from, wired and battery powered alike, and its standard Ring doorbell is the cheapest of our top 3 picks at only $100. But you get the most out of your Ring doorbell if it's hardwired. Having that consistent power source will allow your doorbell camera to do cooler stuff like 3D imaging. So finally, our top pick out of the bunch is the Google Nest battery. It comes with cloud and local storage, has a long battery life, and nails the AI alerts. While its video resolution isn't quite as high or wide, it's a great looking video doorbell, and I think it's the best out of the bunch for an all-purpose job. We have a full written review on the Google Nest Doorbell on Safewise.com. If you want to learn more about that, check out the description. You can also see our best video doorbells list on Safewise.com as well, where we've also included hardwired and battery-powered picks. Like and subscribe to us here on YouTube for more videos, how-tos, and comparisons of our favorite security cameras, security systems, and safety tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to Safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.